Welcome to Farm AI Forecast by Octopusbot, an advanced AI platform designed to provide farmers with superior accuracy. AI yield forecasts mitigate weather risks and optimize inputs. Using historical weather data and satellite imagery combined with historical farm yields, our AI models provide accurate forecasts tailored to your farm. Here's how it works. To begin, simply upload your farm yields onto our platform. Once your data is uploaded, you get access to Octopusbot's interactive dashboard, where you'll be able to track real-time weather data localized for your farm. You can monitor rainfall actuals, rainfall deciles, soil moisture and temperature, making sure you're better prepared for weather events like droughts and floods. Farm AI Forecasts also integrates real-time weather data from multiple sources, including the ECMWF, GFS, and JMA. Beyond daily updates, our system also tracks monthly weather trends so you can plan your farming operations around seasonal patterns. The analysis includes soil moisture levels, maximum and minimum temperatures, precipitation trends, radiation, and sunshine duration. Now, accuracy is key when it comes to forecasting, which is why Farm AI Forecast relies on cross-validation accuracy to measure how well the AI model performs. We train our AI using at least 5 years of historical yield data and historical weather. Unlike generic models, our AI runs custom models for each farm and commodity every month. The green line in the graph represents historical actual yields, while the blue line shows our machine learning estimates. To achieve 93% plus accuracy before planting, our AI selects the most relevant weather parameters for each farm, ensuring maximum accuracy. As the season progresses, the models get more and more accurate with each month, making Octopusbot's Farm AI Forecasts one of the most reliable solutions in the industry. Finally, Farm AI Forecasts provides accurate yield estimates by running multiple scenarios through AI models, for example, 10 rainfall deciles, best accuracy forecasts, heat events, forced events, and so on. One of our most powerful features is sensitivity analysis, which explains why your predicted yield is changing. The AI compares this year's weather conditions to past years and identifies the biggest driving factors and their weight. For example, the data for the farm here shows reduction in yield from 3.8 tonnes per hectare last year to 2.5 this year, as we can see that the major parameter responsible for it is soil moisture 1 and 2 in the month of April and May. Meanwhile, vapor pressure in January is a positive parameter for yield this year. With this information, you get superior yield forecast accuracy, make confident data-driven decisions, optimize your inputs, and maximize your profits. Know before you grow with Octopusbot. Take the challenge today and see for yourself. Try Octopusbot for free at octopusbot.ai.